say you can't bet on it buffering like this. No betting unless you're a member. Reset the phone. Okay. I'm gonna reset it after this, y'all. Look out. I done cleared out the background. We about to reset it, y'all. It's gonna probably be off about a minute, maybe 30 seconds. So y'all be ready. Okay, big. Appreciate that $199. Power Stroke says still messing up.
All right, next up, Chevy truck. Looks like
look out, Jet Black. Jet Black, is it back working good or is it still buffering? I still got another option.
Just waiting for the people to get out of the way. Guys, just remember this is a racetrack and race cars have the right of way. So
I could Look out, look
Love
out.
having you guys down there, though. I gotta tell you, I talk about that all the time, and
With it.
even though it drives me crazy, just having you guys down there, I actually love it.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Yeah, I'm
It's
trying
what
to
makes
do it
Yellow Belly, Yellow Belly.
Hey, how you doing? I got
The people that don't like it, I tell them. Because at Yellow Belly, this is what we do.
I got the new stickers in the car. I got stickers. I'm gonna go get them in a few minutes. I'm gonna go around. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go get them now. Okay. Yeah, I could still go over here and turn on my try. Look out, hey, hey. I'll be right back. Hey. Let me see some they talking about that new they talking about that new shake up there at what they talking about, that new shake at Whataburger, banana pudding shake. They talking about it's good. Is it? Okay. KLB say the stream working good now. That's good, that's good. Get some of these stickers. Yeah, I gotta get these stickers. Dang. Hold on, y'all. I'm finna get these stickers. Dang, all my people on TikTok. They look dark. Huh? I can't do nothing.